Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're continuing with our best side hustle series and this is part 3. So if you missed part 1 and part 2, don't worry, I'll drop links to those below for you. But previously we went ahead and looked at creating YouTube thumbnails and I shared with you exactly how profitable it actually can be, and we looked at some free softwares. Then in the first video, we looked at niche websites and I shared an example of one of my websites and my earnings from that. In today's video, we're going to move on to number 3, and realistically this should have been number 1 in the series because it is, in my opinion, the best way to start making money online as a side hustle. More importantly, you can take this from a side hustle and genuinely you can turn this into a full-time income online. And if you do it correctly, you can do this passively. Now you can get started with this without any experience. It can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world, and what I'm going to share with you is we'll look at real life examples. I'll share with you some of my earnings using this method, but overall it's absolutely awesome, and how much you can earn, it literally will come down to you. There's no cap on the amount of money you can earn with this method. So what are we talking about today? Well, we're talking about affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? So if you do not know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you have a product or a service, and it doesn't have to be your own, it can be anybody else's. So you can find products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, lots of these different platforms, and basically you share content, and if somebody goes ahead and purchases that, then you can earn what is known as an affiliate commission, and this can be incredibly lucrative. Now, I've got a free affiliate marketing course. Again, I'll drop a link to that below for you, and if you want more resources to make money online and from home, come over to my blog, Not Taught at School. Just go to where it says awesome stuff. There's a members area with lots of free resources inside of there. But basically today we're looking at affiliate marketing, and you can see I've got this article here, how lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'll drop a link to this article here for you. You can go ahead and check this out. It's pretty in-depth. But in terms of affiliate marketing, I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of this. I'll share with you some of my results, some of my earnings. I'll share resources and, basically how you can get this up and running from start to finish. So first, let me jump in and share with you some results, because, anybody could talk this, but let me share with you that, I actually do this as well. So this is a platform called Warrior Plus. You can see up here, I've currently withdrawn from this platform coming up to $49,000. I've currently got $330 in my balance, and we've got $26 over here pending. This is just one platform. Over here, this is a platform called Pay Kickstart. Now on here, you can go ahead and find different softwares and products and services that you can become an affiliate for. So if you just quickly jump in here, we'll see how much we've earned in the last month on this one. So in the last month, you can see up here, I've managed to earn $1,760 over on this one platform here. And I'll share one last platform with you. This is called Vidnami. This is a video creation tool. So I use this software, I recommend it, and I share this. And if people sign up to this using my affiliate link, I earn a commission. And I'll quickly show you some commission. So this is inside of the affiliate area. Let's just go to reports. So you can see this here. This is recent activity. So in August 2020, down here, I earned $451. In September, I earned $629, and in October, the current month, I'm up to, at this moment in time, $362. But I expect by the end of the month, it will be close to, if not more than this. So these are 3 different platforms where I am an affiliate. And look, I'm an affiliate with Amazon and eBay and probably about 20 or 30 other different platforms. It's Sharer, Sale, Commission Junction, and many more. So whilst all of these numbers down here seem great, and look, don't get me wrong, they're absolutely awesome. Like these earnings down here, these are recurring commissions. So what that means is I've done the work once and I'm earning this here passively every single month. So how do you do this? Well, literally, this article here, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this. So as I mentioned at the beginning, you basically start with, this is the starting point, you decide on a category or a niche. And from there, once you've decided on this, you can then go out and find products and services which you can then share and create content around. And when I say create content, you can create content in the form of a blog, it can be a YouTube video. If you don't want to do either of those, then you can go onto platforms like Pinterest, you can go on Instagram, you can even do this using Facebook. There's so many different ways how you can make money with affiliate marketing. But the first one is deciding on your niche. And once you've done that, it's pretty straightforward to find products and then start creating the content around this. So if I come down here, you can see these are some of my earnings on here. And if I come down here, basically, what is affiliate marketing? Well, as I've mentioned to you, it's you can see here, it's a process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product that you like, you promote it and share it with others, and then you earn a piece of the profit for every sale that you make. And you can earn commissions for a one-time payment. So a lot of the earnings over here on this Warrior Plus platform, this is from a one-time payment. And what that means is, let's say a course was coming out and I recommended that course to people on the YouTube channel or on my blog or on my email list. They would go ahead and purchase that, and that was a one-time payment. Whilst that's great, it's kind of like an active income because you're doing the work, but then once that course has been launched and released into the marketplace, people aren't looking for that anymore. So then you need to continue doing more articles and YouTube videos for it, whereby you can go ahead and find recurring commissions like this one over here, this Vidnami, and you do the work once, but instead of only being paid once, you're literally generating a passive income. And that's something I've been focusing on a hell of a lot more recently, hence the video in part 1 of this series where we were looking at niche blogs and niche websites. So if I come back over here, so affiliate marketing, we decide on a niche or a category. And look, this here is over inside of ClickBank. You can go through, you see, these here are all different categories whereby you can simply go ahead and find products that you want to promote. And then you've also got subcategories and sub-niches. So in this example here, this health and fitness, from up here, health and fitness, if I scroll down, you can see you've got all of these different subcategories and niches whereby you can find products that you want to promote, and you can literally get your link for that, start sharing your link and earning a commission. And how much you can earn, it can be anywhere from say $7 or $10 all the way up to like $10,000, believe it or not, and in some cases you can earn more. So if I come down here, just on this article here, here are a few examples of ways that you can do affiliate marketing. So you can go ahead and create blogs and websites around a certain category or niche. So like this example here, this baby gear lab, this blog here, it's geared all around baby gear, and all they're doing here is they're sharing articles around babies and different products that you might need if you've got a baby. Anyone reads the article and clicks on one of those links, then they earn an affiliate commission. If we come further down the page here, we've got an example here which is review channels on YouTube. So on YouTube, people are doing literally thousands of these different types of review videos, and they're reviewing mobile phones, laptops, cars, softwares, and many more. Now, both of these methods here, review channels on YouTube and creating blogs, these are absolutely awesome ways to get started with affiliate marketing, but they do have some drawbacks. Number one is that you can't earn instantly from this because it does take a bit of time to build up a blog and also build up a YouTube channel. You could, if you really wanted to, run paid ads to them, but not many people have the budget when they're first starting out for this. But overall, blogs and YouTube, in the short term, it will take you time and effort, but in the long term, it can generate you profits for a long, long time. If I scroll down here, another example of this for you is affiliate marketing with Instagram. So what happens here is people have decided on a niche or a category. So in this example here, we've got woodworking. They've then gone and found a product over on, in this case here, they found the product on ClickBank. And then what have they done? They've literally gone on Instagram, created an account around woodworking. They share pictures about woodworking, and within the link up here, you see within the bio, click here, dailyplanning.com/woodworking plans. What's happening here is they're sending people over to the products which they found over on ClickBank. Anyone purchases, guess what? they earn an affiliate commission. This is a great way of doing this, and using platforms like Instagram, you can get some growth pretty quick. Another example for you is you can go over onto Pinterest, as you can see here. And again, works in a very similar way. Decide on your niche or your category, you've got your products that you want to promote. Then the next thing is you create these pictures here that you upload onto Pinterest, and then literally just put a link in here and you drive traffic from Pinterest over to whichever platform, or sorry, whichever product or service that you're promoting. And look, there's many more examples on this blog article here. There's answering questions on Quora. You can go on Twitter, Facebook groups, Facebook pages. There's hundreds of different ways that you can market products. So look, this is today's method to make money as a side hustle. It's affiliate marketing. Below in the description box for you, I'll leave a link over to this affiliate marketing article here for you. I will also leave a link to my free affiliate marketing course, and don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you anything in that or upsell you anything. I just basically walk you through the whole process in a lot more detail for you. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful, but overall, affiliate marketing is an absolutely awesome way to make money online and from home. There's no limit to how much you can earn, but the best part is anybody can get started with this. And look, as I've mentioned, all of the links will be below for you. Go ahead and check out this blog article here. Go and grab the free affiliate marketing course. And all being well, I'll see you in the Facebook group. So thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow.